And we are live for 2013 Bowman Sterling football. This one is supposed to have a good amount of hits. Is that an old message? Okay, yeah. I got that trade. Alright, video is posted. I need to completely restart my browser. Too many windows. Poor Puffy Dog's a chicken tonight. We got thunder in the area. It's a little pussycat. Big ol' mean guard dog until Mother Nature sounds. She shrivels up. Alright, I'll give it a few minutes for people to find the video. And we will get ripping. Someone hit a Manning so Ken can buy it. I have a stack of base Mannings. Insert Mannings. What's up, Mike? What's up, Isaiah? Alright, let's go ahead and get ripping. This is 2013 Bowman Sterling football. And my new figure is going to come out at the card store today. Spent a little bit of money on figures. It wasn't much at all. He sells them cheap. I don't care about saving them. They go for so cheap. I want to recollect them again and end up with an army of figures. I already put out my other football ones. The new one is Dennis Rodman for the Spurs. A blue Salvi. Ken, you just gonna build me a rainbow? That sounds pretty cool. Maybe I can send you back some Peyton Mannings. Because I don't think I'd have any Salvies you don't have. But I do have a good chunk of Manning cards. Alright, Bowman Sterling has 6 packs and the box topper. I don't know why, but I wanna do the box topper first. The box stopper is a nice 3-colored patch, rookie patch of Monty Ball for the Denver Broncos, numbered 112 out of 171. That's a pretty card. Maybe we should open that last. This one going to Paul James Kafalis. Yeah, I have the 101 you don't have. You can't steal my 1 of 1. Not right now, anyway. Not meaning steal, but... Alright, first pack. So I'm thinking maybe we have 2 hits per pack. The first card for the Pittsburgh Steelers is a rookie auto of Marcus Wheaton. These cards are thick. And big old cards. Pittsburgh auto is going to go to Aaron Kilmer. Aaron, welcome to the breaks. Take a Marcus Wheaton auto. The next card is a rookie patch of Keenan Allen for the San Diego Chargers. This one numbered 618 out of 1214. Wow. Haven't seen a number that high in a while. For the Chargers, going to Kerry Davis, another new one to the breaks. Welcome. Have a Keenan Allen hit. Good player. The number just threw me off for a moment. And a couple more cards out of there. Theo Riddick, rookie, Lions. You know, for everybody talking about the class being bad, I mean, Riddick's actually competing. It's not a bad running back. Keenan Allen, pretty good. Marcus Wheaton, not bad. Xavier Rhodes, rookie, Vikings. Defensive guy. He might be a... I don't know if he's contributed or not. And the last card of that pack is Mike Glennon for the Buccaneers. Mike, I believe, is still putting his time as a backup. Trying to get a chance to prove something. I think he's had a couple chances and didn't do too much. Pack number 2, we're going to flip upside down and bring out Tom Brady for the New England Patriots. He's a pretty good player, I would think. I don't know how valuable the base cards are, but it's Brady. You can have a top loader. Beginner luck is a thing. Not everybody gets it, but some do. Keenan Allen, rookie, Chargers. Ken, the focus will come and go. I think it depends on how I hold the card sometimes. It's kind of odd. I don't know why I just gave Keenan Allen a top loader, but I did. Decent rookie, I guess. Another one, I might as well do that here too. Eddie Lacy for the Packers, a rookie card. Want to roll with top loaders, why not? And the next card is for the Buffalo Bills. Marquise Goodwin, rookie patch, numbered 1007 out of 1214. Going to Mike Goff. Like, are you getting hot again here? It is just Marquise Goodwin. But it's a hit. Where are my other hits? There they are. The last card of this pack is a rookie patch auto of Manti Te'o, numbered 115 out of 125. Another decent player. Decent name. I thought he had been starting down there and doing okay. That one going to Kerry Davis. Got another one for you. Another Charger for you. Yeah, the numbers are pretty ridiculous. The numbers are straight out of the late 90s, early 2000s. But for being 2013, I mean, it's a cool product to me so far. Let's see how it finishes. Packers Jonathan Franklin, a rookie card. For the Detroit Lions, Ezekiel Ansah. What are you doing with the ball, Zeke? A rookie for the Lions. His nickname is actually not Zeke, it's Ziggy. Ziggy Ansah. I don't know if that's how you pronounce the last name. Barkevius Mingo, rookie Browns. Ken will argue that the Ortiz beats the cow, and I'd argue for the cow. That's the 101 Mike's referring to. For the Jaguars, Denard Robinson, rookie patch, numbered 0553 out of 1206. That's crazy. This one gonna go to Danny Delfendahl. And the other hit out of this one is another Marquise Goodwin rookie patch auto, numbered 237 out of 361. For the Buffalo Bills, going to Mike Goff. Have two Goodwin hits. Box does give you a lot of hits. You're right, I think 13 of them. I didn't see Bowman Sterling in any later years. East Coast breaker and see if the cards are different. Thing is, how many of the breakers get their cards from the same places on the internet? Some of them I buy at the local card shop. Some of them I buy at the internet. At the internet. Yeah, I said that. So I do get them a few different places. Pulled a gold Peyton Manning out of, wow. See if it can pull some kind of veteran like that. Sounds like a nice one. Alright. Get these base out here. First one is rookie Derek Rogers, numbered 17 out of 75 for the Buffalo Bills. Focus. There you go. And next one for the Steelers, rookie Le'Veon Bell. There's the big rookie. Going to Aaron Kilmer. Not a hit, but a base rookie of him. And the last non-hit here is rookie Christine Michael for the Seahawks. I've been curious about that too, Matthew. But the actual card companies, they don't sell to a lot of people. Like, they don't even sell to all the card shops. They sell a lot to distributors. Greg Olsen is the next card. Nice autograph for the Panthers, numbered 99 out of 99. Cool number on that one too. That one is going to go to Chad Sayan. Chad, don't call me Chadley. Sayan. Well, like, I don't know if you're questioning me or Isaiah, I guess probably. Like Topps, they sell a ton to like blowout cards. Mike Gillisley, triple colored patch. Nice card for the Dolphins, numbered 75 out of 75. Nice rookie patch. Gonna go to Pat Henderson. I've always wondered, like, the blaster boxes that they send to Walmart. Sometimes I notice more Royals in those than I feel like there should be. So I wonder if they localize the blasters. But even my sports card shop I go to, they buy their boxes from a distributor and not directly from the company. Jamal Charles, Chiefs. I know today picked up a box, or had a case of Topps Legacies I can't find anywhere. And I went ahead and grabbed it from him. For the Panthers, Cam Newton. Buy one from every state, that's not a bad idea. My bet would be on you won't be able to tell the difference. That's what my bet would be on. I haven't seen enough evidence to think they do anything like that. Blighty Ray Wilson, a rookie for the Titans. Should be sold to Matthew, what? I'm lost. For the Chiefs, rookie patch of Niall Davis. This one, 820 out of 1214. Gonna go to Craig Ferris. Craig, I know you're relatively new. I think you've been in here before, but there's a Chiefs hit for you. And the last card of this pack is for the Cleveland Browns rookie, Barkevius Mingo. Rookie autograph. Gonna go to Chad Sayan. Yeah, they are definitely weird numbers. Other than that, man, if this draft class was a little better, this box would be pretty outstanding. I don't think it's been too bad for the price. A lot of hits. before I open this box. 2014 Bowman Sterling Football Hobby Box. Did they make them? Yeah, I guess they did. $190 on eBay. Maybe I have to try that out. Looks like it has the same amount of hits. Good question, Mike. That's weird. For the Dolphins, rookie Deion Sims. Look at these sleeves. Now I want to know if they have 2015 Bowman Sterling. I've never messed with this one before in football. I know they don't have 2016. Ryan Nassib, rookie Giants. The top stop carrying football. Bowman's a Topps product. Get 2012, huh? Sheldon Richardson, number 36 out of 39. A rookie for the Jets. I just don't want to find anything too overpriced. That one National Treasures, that was almost a disaster. I mean, nothing against Kyle there. It just, the box didn't live up to what they had priced it at by far. It was a crazy one. I know that won't happen in every box. Eric Decker, nice patch. Number 33 out of 50. They jumped down from 1,200, and then they have this one of Eric Decker, number to 50. You're crazy. Get out of here, Sterling. You're drunk. This one I'm going to go to Paul James Kefelis. And the last card for the Jacksonville Jaguars. I think he might have been second overall in the draft. Rookie Luke Joeckel. Number 28 out of 50. The highly coveted offensive lineman autograph. Going to go to Danny Delfin-Dahl. Alright, not bad. Not bad for 2013. No huge monsters, but that many hits. And a few cool rookies. Luke Joeckel was last. A rookie auto. Broncos, Eric Decker. Low numbered patch. Draft is this weekend now, right? Starts Thursday. So 2 days. Does it start Thursday or does it start Friday? Arcavis Mingo Browns. Thursday night, that's kind of exciting. I'm really hoping to see the Chiefs get a quarterback this year. I think they're looking at 1 out of 2. Hoping one of them drops. Niall Davis, Chiefs rookie patch. Matthew, I got a call in the night. I am worn out. Apologies. For the Dolphins, Mike Gillislee. Alex Smith is good. Okay. Alright, Matthew. He is good. The Chiefs have a really talented roster around Alex Smith. Alex Smith is good enough to firmly get them into the playoffs. And that's about it. He's not good enough to make them top 3 or 4 in the AFC. I'm interested to see what he does this year, but I'd like to see a quarterback get in there for years future. Marquise Goodwin, RPA Bills. Shout out to Danny Duffendahl for giving the Arizona couple a spot in the break. My wife's watching from bed. What are you doing, Miss Wifey? Laying in there with Dayton. Manti Te'o, I also got you a card of his girlfriend for free. That's going to be on its way to you. Look for it in the package. If you can't find it, well, it's there, don't worry. Buffalo Bills, Marquise Goodwin, rookie patch. Matthew got it. Matthew, you want me to put a autograph of his girlfriend in there in your package too? Teo's girlfriend hits coming for free to everybody. Steelers, Marcus Wheaton. Almost said Marquise Goodwin. It's Marcus Wheaton. Not a bad player there. Sure, everyone gets one. It's included in every box break. And the first one, the box topper, Monty Ball, pretty looking patch. I like that card there. Monty Ball's not a real stud or anything, but really pretty patch. Alright, I probably will look for some more Sterling from other years. I don't know why I hadn't found that product before. Maybe they were running out of it on other seasons. Maybe that's why. But besides just it being a down year, that's a good return. Alright guys, I'm done for the night. There's a baseball break open, but it's too late. We won't break it till tomorrow, but there's like 20 spots left, or a little bit less maybe. So have a good night, everybody.